Chipmaker Qualcomm recently unveiled three new chipsets: Snapdragon 665, Snapdragon 730 and Snapdragon 730G with focus on AI, camera and gaming. The first smartphone powered by the gaming-centric Snapdragon 730G has also been announced, the Samsung Galaxy A80. Now, the company is reportedly working on a Snapdragon 735 SoC, which, if the leak turns out to be true, will be the first mid-range Qualcomm chipset made on 7nm process. Internal document details revealing key details of the chipset have surfaced, courtesy of SuggestPhone. Currently, the flagship Snapdragon 855 SoC is built on 7nm process, and the Snapdragon 735 could be the second chipset on the new and efficient fabrication process. The leaked document indicates that it will come with an octa-core CPU, with a new 1+1+6 core configuration. Like, share and subscribe to Tech Molecule.